This video is the continuation of the previous video. Let us revise words. Words are action words that tell us what someone or something does. Underline the verb in the following sentence. My mother is driving a car. Driving. Milkman is knocking at the door. Knocking. Monkeys wore the cap. Wore. The teacher taught a good lesson. Taught. Peacock danced in the rain. Danced. Rita is skipping in the lawn. Skipping. Sometimes verbs are used with ing to show actions that are happening now. Example, walking, jumping, reading. Actions that is happening now has ing form. Let us see some examples. The cat is dash the mouse. Chasing. Rocky is dash the car. Driving. Mom is dash food in the kitchen. Cooking food in the kitchen. Ria is dash a picture. Painting. The boy is dash the balloon. Blowing. Father is dash the newspaper. Reading. Now children, let us solve page 15 of the workbook. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with the correct verbs. The verbs are not given, but by looking at the pictures you will identify the verb. The sun dash brightly during the day. Shines. The top is dash fast. Spinning. Prem is dash a kite. Flying. Grandfather is dash a book. Reading. A tailor dash clothes. Stitches. Rita dash well. Sings well. A cow dash grass. Eats. Frogs are dash in the well. Swimming. The mason is dash some bricks. Carrying. Sahil dash the guitar. Plays the guitar. Helping verbs. Now let us understand the helping verbs. Look at these sentences. Meeta is hugging her mother. Mary has written an interesting story. In these sentences, we see that is and has are helping verbs. A verb that comes before the main verb is called helping verb. So, is and was are helping verbs, whereas hugging, written are main verbs. Helping verbs are used before verbs that end in ed or ing. Let us see some more examples. The river is flowing towards the south. In this sentence, we see that is the helping verb, flowing is the main verb. Indian players are playing cricket. Are is the helping verb, playing is the main verb. Mohit is having his breakfast. Is helping verb, having main verb. I am 8 years old. Am is the helping verb and there is no main verb in this sentence. The meeting was held in the morning. Was helping verb, held main verb. Helping verb plus main verb, we get verb phrase. In this sentence, Ria is reading a story. Is the helping verb. Reading is the main verb. Is reading is verb phrase. Now let us solve these examples. Page 15. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. The old man is walking slowly. Is walking. Trees sway in the wind. Sway. Karan drinks milk every night. Drinks. They are running on the road. Are running. Radhi and Mala play together every day. Play. We learn new things in school. Learn. People read books in the library. Read. He finishes his homework quickly. Finishes. Verbs can be doing or action words. Example, they go to school every day. Abdul walked home yesterday. Clouds bring rain. Give me a pen. In these sentences, the words go, walked, and bring show what the things or persons do. Verbs can be being words. Example, the cat is white. The king was kind. The woodcutter was honest. I will be a good boy. Peacocks are beautiful. The boy was thin. Here, the words is, was, will be, are, and were are words that show how a thing or person is. These are verbs but not action words. Verbs can show belonging. Example, they have a car. My friend has a new toy. I have a sister. Preeti had a black pen. In these sentences, has, have, and had are verbs that are not action words or being words. They show that something or someone belongs to someone or something. Let us now solve page 16. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. Children play in the park. Play. Hari practices every day. Practices. I am a student. Am. He is a nice man. Is. Varun has a dog. Has. There are many apples on the tree. Are. The teacher is kind. Is. Open the window. Open. Father had a scooter. Had. People are outside. Are. Shruti is a good dancer. Is. Palak and Prabha were dancers. Were. We have a new computer at home. Have. I will be 5 years this birthday. Will be. My cousin watches cartoons all day. Watches. With this, we finish with our topic verbs. Children, revise the topic again and practice more examples.